picture food.
Here they come with the couch.
Cookie, what do you have to say? Huh? Are you doing a picture today? Yeah. Are you ready, Dan the Man?
I'm working on it.
Are you guys ready? Are you getting bored?
No, Ariana asked me a stupid question.
What did she ask you?
Who would like to have a walnut bonk on the head? If you were to choose one person to have a walnut to come rain down on their head, who would it be?
That's not very nice.
Put it down in the description. Who would you want it to be?
That's not nice.
I know.
They're saying that because, let's see if we can find, oh yeah, these walnuts are all over the place. And we're kind of afraid of them crashing down on our heads. Let's just show you this area we're at. Look at all these beautiful trees.
And they're lined up in a line.
And they're all lined up. The girls like that how they're all lined up. If I move, they're like direct lines.
So she's not going to come out of her cage?
When we take the picture with her, she will. But she's not used to being outside, so she's not coming out right now.
And I mean, like,
okay?
Why can't, like, after the pictures, can you show us a video of, like, us taking Cookie for a walk around this, like, area?
Well, we can see how we feel by that time. Dan, the professional photography man, is setting up his stuff.
Don't trip on stuff.
Don't trip out here in the wild, guys. We're in the wild with cords in the wild. I'm not letting them run around because of all the walnuts. If they fall, they're going to get filthy before pictures. They're bored now. If we have crazy hair for our pictures, everyone's going to know why now. Because Crazy Pants can't sit still. Crazy Pants 2 can't sit, is eating the leash. Ariana, get that out of your mouth. That's really gross.
Hey, get out of my way.
It tastes good.
Oh, sorry people. We were in Dan's way.
Excuse me, get my way. Hey, let's do this. Go ahead.
That's great. That's great, he says. Go away, he says.
We're gonna have to bleh. See, we're too hot here. We have to drop it down by like half a stop of light. So much power. Okay, get the cat out of there. Stop.
Okay, I will get the cat. Okay, Cookie is going to observe over here while we do the pictures until it's her turn. Cookie has never been in our family photos, but we are doing this especially for you guys so we can change our picture and have Cookie in it since she is part of our channel.
Set timer.
Kind of lean your head a little towards Ariana. Sit up, Ariana, sit up. Let's do...
I'm gonna extend the time between the shots. Because I need both things to fire.
No. Yeah.
No talking during the shot.
No, you're holding her together like this right here. not squeezing her. No, Ariana, bring Ariana. Okay, you know what? Like this. No, you don't touch her face. Ariana, I don't want your hands up there by her neck. Put your hands around her. Like this. Lean, if you would lean by Ariana. No. Okay, Dan.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Now, I don't know if Cookie will look. Hopefully she'll look over there.
No, she'll see this girl. I don't. Stay.
Dan, come sit. I'm gonna have
No.
Ella. You're gonna sit on my lap here. Put your legs on the
Daddy, come here.
side. Okay, move. Okay, give me the cat now,
No,
Daddy.
laying back. Why
It's
did you
good.
lay
We
back?
got enough of with the cat. Stand up.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do. With your teeth, you can show your teeth, but no, not. Don't do that. Never mind. Just regular.
Huh? Ella. Do something else with his leg.
Do a smile.
Keep going on that.
Come on. No. I don't know. This cat is obsessed with eating the grass. If you know why, leave a comment in this comment section below.
No, 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 no.